Happy video day, guys. I am super excited, guys. Like, I'm just starting this video with that because I am just so excited about this. I've been looking at the new releases that have been coming out recently, and one eyeshadow palette in specific caught my attention. So I just ran over and picked it up, and I am so excited to share this with you guys. Like, honestly, I'm so excited. So that is this little palette right here from Viseart, and this is called the Dark Edit palette. And I saw this, it's available on BEAUTYLISH. I had never ordered from BEAUTYLISH either, so I was like, you know what, this is just too beautiful, I need to do it. And I did it. And guys, we've got some really amazing stuff to talk about today. I'm just super excited to share this with you. Like, really, I'm so excited. I'm super excited to be excited about an eyeshadow palette. But if you guys have never met me before, I'm Christina Brooke, and this is my GLAMRANCH. I would love it if you'd want to hit that subscribe button so you can see me again, and YouTube will show you my videos. You can hit that notification bell too, so that when I upload, you'll get a notification and you can see me, and yeah. So let's go ahead and let's get into everything, the Dark Edit from Viseart. So first things first, let's talk about the packaging. What do you get? It does come in this really cute outer card, and it says Viseart in the front. It does say Dark Edit. It does have a really pretty picture of the eyeshadow palette you're getting. I really like this packaging. Very cute, very sleek, very nice. I liked it. And then when you pull out the palette, now the palette is actually pretty nice for being a mini. It comes in this cardboard, but it almost feels like a smooth, really nice cardboard. Like, it's nice. So then when you open it up, you do have this magnetic closure, and it comes with a really nice size mirror, and every single one of the eyeshadows are put into this plastic container. Now, this part is the only one that doesn't look as high end, but I do like this because I feel like these eyeshadows are probably really easy to pop out. So if you guys are a working makeup artist, or if you want to add this into a bigger palette and just create a nice Z palette, you can probably pop these out really, really easily. So for that sense, it's really nice. But overall, the design of this cute little Viseart palette is adorable. I think it's really nice. I love this even for travel. The only thing I will tell you is there's a chance that some of these can pop out. Yeah, for sure. Some of these definitely can pop out. So I just wanted to warn you guys of that. If you guys are using this and you're carrying it around with you, just be a little bit more cautious with it. For the packaging, I think it's pretty nice. I do like it. So now this little palette is going to run you $39 US. That is pretty pricey for a small little palette. In order to get 12 Viseart colors, which Viseart tends to be pretty pricey to begin with, I think it's a pretty nice deal. These pans are small, but at the same time, like, how many times do we really hit pan on palettes? So just keep that in mind when you see the $39 price tag. Just remember it is a more expensive brand, and you are getting a lot of shades. So in this palette, you're getting different finishes. You're getting metallic, you're getting shimmer, and you're also getting matte finishes. So in this palette, you're getting 8 mattes, 3 metallics, and 1 shimmer formula. And I think the color selection in here, to be honest, guys, is really, really beautiful. I love this color selection for fall. I love the combination of colors that they picked in here, because a lot of these colors work really, really well together, and they're just so beautiful. So now let's talk about a few things that they say about this palette. So it's supposed to be a travel-friendly version of the Viseart Dark Mattes palette. So it does say that these palettes are removable, which is something that I did point out to you. You can remove the pans. So to be honest, since I don't own the Dark Mattes, I'm not able to tell you guys if there's any duplicates in here. Let me know below if there is any. Inside of this palette, you are getting 12 grams of product total. Now, just for a quick size comparison for you guys, if you guys have seen these Huda Beauty Mini Obsessions palettes, this is how its size comparison is to that. So it is basically the same size for the most part. It's very, very similar in size. So the Huda Beauty one does have a little bit larger pans than this one. This one has 9 eyeshadows and this one has 12. And I do believe that the Huda Beauty one has like 10 grams of product and this one has 12. So in this one, you're getting a little bit more product. So when I read all those things, I definitely was super interested in diving into this product. I know Viseart is one of those brands that is loved by many makeup artists. Some of their eyeshadow palettes can run you 80 bucks, and they don't come with that many colors in them. So I was very intrigued by this mini version. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some of the swatches so you guys can see the colors in this palette. So now that you guys have seen all of that, let's go into the application. I'm gonna show you guys how I created this eye look, tell you guys my thoughts as I was creating it, and then at the end of the video, I will tell you guys what I'm thinking. Here we are, zoomed in. I can't wait to try this. Oh, come on, go down. Oh, so excited. excited. This is the first time I've ever ordered from BEAUTYLISH, so this is so cute. It actually came inside of this really cute container here, and they even sent me a little note. This is so sweet. It says welcome and that they hope I like the Viseart palette. That is like the cutest presentation ever. And I did get this in 2 days, so the shipping was amazing. So here's the little mini palette. I cannot wait to touch this thing. I have been waiting for this to arrive. Oh my God, this looks so beautiful online, guys. Like, it like stole my heart when I saw this online. Okay, so it looks like this. It's so cute and pretty and little, and it's expensive for being so little, but it is Viseart, and it comes with, oh my God, this is so beautiful. This is what it looks like. Just give you guys another zoom in. I'm probably gonna zoom you guys in the beginning, but let's go ahead and start playing with this because I can't wait. So there's a lot of colors here I wanna play with, but since I'm wearing like a green shirt, I think I'm gonna go for something like green and yeah, you can use this mirror. That's not that bad. Pigment is super nice right now. I'm gonna just bring that right underneath the lower lash line too. And this color is so pretty. I love this color for the fall, guys. This is a beautiful tone. It's kind of like a brownish green, but it's gorgeous. This matte right now is blending like insanely good. It's probably one of the best mattes I've ever blended on my eyes. That is really, really pretty. That is a beautiful tone. I love it, but like I really love it. So now, what do I want to grab? I don't even know what color I want to get. So I'm just gonna grab right next door and hello. Oh my God, that is, wow, that is beautiful. Guys, that is beautiful. That is a beautiful color, like beautiful. So now what I'm gonna do, I just wanna grab some of this green and I wanna pack this green right next door. That's a pretty color too. Grabbing back into this one and just blending them together a little bit better. I'm excited. I like this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some color. I wanna add a little bit of vibrance to this. So I'm gonna grab this yellow here. I just saw a beautiful blue. I didn't see that blue. I can't wait to play with that blue. Okay, this is a not wet brush. I think I got pretty good pigment. Yeah, I don't even think I want to wet my brush because I don't think I want it any crazier than that. Because this look, it come get together better. Now I'm just gonna run it in the inner corner, down the lower lash line. That is really pretty. I'm just gonna put on some more mascara. We'll get talking about this palette. Okay guys, so you guys saw it. This is the final eye look and I am so impressed. I feel like these mattes blended so good. And I have worked with a bunch of different mattes before and there's good matte formulas, but this one is just really good. Like it blends so easily. If you're somebody who doesn't usually blend your eyeshadow out that well, I feel like you can't go wrong with this eyeshadow palette. Like that's just my opinion. It's just very easily blendable. Metallics that I used in here were just super vibrant. I feel like even wet, they're even going to be more vibrant. It's just for this look, I felt like they were vibrant enough without having to amp it up anymore. I honestly think that this palette is so beautiful. Just besides the fact that the quality seems like it's there, and I have only used a few of the colors, guys, but I can already kind of tell that this is a very good quality palette. Of course, there will be a review follow-up after I've tried everything and I tell you guys like, hey, this is what I'm thinking at the end. But for right now, I'm going to tell you guys that every single one of these shadows those performed great. The green one was the only one that blended a little harder than the rest of them, but at the same time it blended really good. So I can't really critique this too much. This is a beautiful eyeshadow palette. The colors in here are just gorgeous, and I would say, guys, that this might be like a nice fall staple eyeshadow palette. Like if you guys are looking for something to bring you into the fall, this is it. This is beautiful. Now the only thing is it is a dark edit, so a lot of the looks that you will get when you're using this is a more dark looking eyeshadow look, but these colors can easily mix with any of your lighter tones. If you guys have a nice soft base brown that you love to use, any of these colors mixed with it would look so beautiful. I honestly think that this palette is gorgeous, and I honestly feel like as of right now, this is my favorite release that has come out this year so far. Like just color wise, like this one really has a very beautiful tone. Every single one of the colors works good. I think the quality is really, really high in this, and I loved it. So I think it was awesome. So the only thing is, as of right now, this is not available at Sephora. You can buy it on BEAUTYLISH, but BEAUTYLISH was amazing. I will tell you guys, I got it in 2 days, exactly when it was supposed to come. It came really, really nicely packaged. You guys saw the little clip of me opening it, and I really honestly think that it was a very good experience, and I am more than happy to order from BEAUTYLISH again. They did a great job, so I am super happy. And yeah, I love this palette. I love it. I cannot wait to make more looks with this with you guys. Like, I am so inspired by the colors in here, guys. You don't even know. So yeah, I'm gonna tell you guys right now, if you guys are looking for your first fall palette, this is the one to go for. That is all I have for you guys today. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave me your comments below, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.